Hey there, it's Dan from GoSkills. Let's check out the new Course Recommender feature in the GoSkills LMS. The Course Recommender is an AI tool that suggests courses based on your interests and learning style, making it easier for you to pick up new skills. So, where can you find it? It's right on your Learner dashboard. You can also find it under the Training Library tab. Just click on Launch Course Recommender to get started. Now let's see how it works. By default, the Course Recommender suggests courses based on the topics and skills from courses you've already taken or selected during onboarding. But here's the cool part. If you have a specific learning goal, just type it into the search bar and the Course Recommender will give you suggestions that match. So let's see how that would work. Let's say you want to master Lean Six Sigma. You can then type, I want to learn more about Lean Six Sigma. Hit Discover Courses, and the tool will suggest specific GoSkills courses from your training library. Click on Show More Courses if you want to explore more suggestions, and once you find the course that catches your eye, you're ready to go. Tap it, and then click on Get Started to start viewing the course lessons. It's as easy as that. No need to scroll through an entire library to find what you need. We're excited for you and your team to give the Course Recommender a try. So let us know what you think in the L&D Explorers Club Slack channel. Thanks for watching.